Welcome guys, it's DeadShot here. Today I am bringing you a brand new video, and today I will be showing you how to shut down Windows 10 update. So it's really important if you are playing games online or you are streaming, so you don't want any downloading going on in the background, so which can make your game laggy or your streams slow to upload. So you can shut down Windows 10 update, but it's temporary, so you can't do it permanently. So it's impossible to shut down Windows 10 update, but for a few moment of time, or maybe you can take it for a few days, you can shut it off. So now let's get started. I will show you directly. So there are two things you need to do. So first thing first, go into the search bar and type Windows Update. Windows Update. See Windows Update. You can see Windows Update settings. Click on that. So right now I have recently updated my Windows 10. So if you haven't, so it will come. You need to update in so and so updates, and that's how. So you just go into the advanced options. So by default it will be on. Everything will be on over here. So you need to off it. So when you click this button over here, so it will show off. See, off and off. So when you have done this off, when this all three are off, close this. Okay, so the first thing is done. The second thing is going to the services.msc, but there are two ways going there. I will show you both. The first way of going over there is type run, run. So click on this, and in this type services.msc. So click on OK. So this window will open here. So the another way of bringing this window is by directly typing services. So it will show up services over here, desktop app. Click on this. Either way you will come on this only, but the fastest way is to type over here in the search bar services.msc or just services. So it will directly show up this window. So once this window is open, you can directly scroll down all the way to bottom, and then you will get this Windows update. So right click on it and click on properties. So by default, so it will be like manual or automatic by default. So you have to shut it down. To select on this disable and then click on stop. So one small box will appear on progress bar, so it will just shut down all the update means ongoing processes, and it will shut down the recent updates which is going downloading in the background. So one is done, click on apply and then OK. So it's very simple, right? Just two steps and it's done. Windows updates are off for a little time. So you now, without any worry, you can stream or you can play games online. So it won't lag, it won't drop down your speed. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any queries or questions, please mention it down in the comment section down below. And do subscribe. I will be bringing more and more videos and tutorials which will, I hope it will help you a lot. So please subscribe and turn that notification on so you can get my videos up to date. So see you guys in the next video.